guys, this is Rona Gupta. So this is my tab for Delhi Hackathon submission. I named it FireX DeFi. So it is a decentralized finance platform where user can stake, borrow and lend and earn rate of interest by lending to the other borrowers. So as a first step, the user should be get verified to get borrowings from the staked amount in our smart contract. So I added two of the steps. One, he can be any represented from any educational institution. So for verifying his educational status, he has to enter his email. I'll just show you. I used AppyHub API to fetch the verification for this educational email. So as he clicks the educational email, if he is from any educational institute, he get redirected to this demo issuer. Later on we can have our own issuer, but for the hackathon purpose I have used this demo issuer. I have set up all the schemas in our repo. You can look for the schemas. So here are the schemas. Later we can set up the local issuer. So after getting verified, after getting claimed to his wallet, user can come here for the borrow section. I'll just show you by scanning this QR code. Just wait for a minute. As you can see, it is demanding for the cryptographic proof, as I and wanted me to send a cryptographic proof. So I'll just skip this part, as from here user can borrow, from here he can stake. We are just having some RPC issues with the fire chain, that's why it is not loading. I'll just show you here he will be able to see his stake, his borrowings, pay his borrowing and withdraw his stake amount. So thank you guys, this is my tab.